Welcome to Auto Insider Reviews, your trusted source for in-depth analysis and expert insights on the world's most luxurious and high-performing automobiles. Today, we take a closer look at a symbol of prestige, innovation, and unmatched comfort: the Mercedes-Benz S-Class limousine. A flagship of the Mercedes-Benz lineup, the S-Class limousine is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of sophistication and engineering excellence that consistently redefines what a luxury sedan should be. At the heart of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class limousine lies a blend of refined power and intelligent performance. Equipped with a range of engine options, including the powerful 4.0-litre V8 bi-turbo and the silky smooth inline sixth with EcoBoost mild hybrid technology, the S-Class offers a dynamic driving experience with power outputs that range from 429 to over 600 horsepower in the AMG variants. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction in various conditions, while the Airmatic air suspension delivers a silky ride quality that effortlessly absorbs imperfections in the road. The advanced active body control system scans the road ahead and adjusts the suspension in real time, enhancing comfort and stability beyond anything previously imagined in a luxury sedan. Inside, the S-Class limousine is a sanctuary of craftsmanship, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Every inch of the interior exudes meticulous attention to detail, from the hand-finished wood trims to the finest Nappa leather seats that offer heating, cooling, and multiple massage functions. Rear seat passengers are treated to an executive lounge experience, with fully reclining seats, ambient lighting with 64 customizable colors, and the option for a Burmester 4D surround sound system that turns the cabin into a private concert hall. The MBUX infotainment system with a 12.8-inch LED central display and augmented reality head-up display ensures intuitive control and seamless connectivity, making every journey as engaging as it is relaxing. The exterior design of the S-Class limousine is a perfect balance of elegance and modernity. With its stretched silhouette, seamless lines, and a commanding presence, the vehicle communicates luxury even at a glance. The signature chrome grille, digital light headlamps capable of projecting symbols on the road, and flush-fitting door handles exemplify the car's forward-thinking design language. Every curve and contour has been sculpted not only for visual appeal but also to optimize aerodynamics and efficiency. What truly sets the S-Class limousine apart are its groundbreaking safety and assistance features. The suite of intelligent systems includes Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, in markets where available, adaptive cruise control, active steering assist, and PRE safe impulse side, which can lift the vehicle's body slightly in a side collision to better protect occupants. These innovations, combined with the car's structural integrity and state-of-the-art sensors, reaffirm Mercedes-Benz's commitment to safety and technological leadership. In every aspect, from performance and design to comfort and innovation, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class limousine is not just a vehicle, it is a benchmark. It embodies the legacy of Mercedes-Benz while embracing the future of automotive luxury, making it the ultimate choice for those who demand nothing but the best.